Welcome to our video on the Millionaire Mind lessons, the top takeaways from Thomas Stanley. Are you ready to learn the secrets to achieving financial success? Look no further. In this video, we will be diving into the key takeaways from Thomas Stanley's book, The Millionaire Mind, and how you can apply them to your own life. Thomas Stanley is a renowned author and researcher in the field of personal finance and wealth building. His book, The Millionaire Mind, is a bestseller and has helped countless individuals achieve financial success. In this video, we will be sharing the most valuable lessons from the book that will help you improve your financial literacy, develop a millionaire mindset, and achieve your financial goals. So grab a notebook and pen, because you're going to want to take some notes. This is going to be a fun and informative journey. And by the end of it, you'll have the tools and knowledge to start building the wealth you deserve. Let's get started. The importance of financial literacy. In The Millionaire Mind, Thomas Stanley emphasizes the importance of financial literacy in achieving wealth. He states that individuals who have a strong understanding of personal finance and investing are more likely to make smart financial decisions and achieve their financial goals. But you might be wondering, what exactly is financial literacy? It's the ability to understand and manage one's finances, including budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. It's having the knowledge and skills to make informed decisions about the use and management of money. One of the key takeaways from Stanley's book is that financial literacy is crucial for achieving financial success. It's not just about having a high income, but also about having the knowledge and skills to make the most of that income. And the good news is, it's never too late to start educating yourself. By developing your financial literacy, you will be able to create a budget, understand the importance of saving and investing, and make smart financial decisions. It's the foundation upon which all of your financial goals will be built. And the more you know, the more control you have over your financial future. So don't wait any longer. Start educating yourself and take the first step towards financial success. The world of personal finance and investing can be overwhelming, but with the right knowledge and tools, you'll be able to navigate it with confidence. The Millionaire Mindset. The Millionaire Mindset is all about having the right attitude and approach towards money and wealth building. It's about having a long-term perspective, being disciplined and consistent in your financial habits, and having the drive and determination to achieve your financial goals. One of the key takeaways from Stanley's book is that the millionaire mindset is not just about having a high income, but also about having the right attitude and approach towards money. Millionaires tend to have a strong sense of financial responsibility and are committed to achieving their financial goals. They are disciplined and consistent in their financial habits and make smart financial decisions. To develop the millionaire mindset, it's important to focus on your financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Set realistic goals, develop a budget, and stick to it. Create a savings plan and make sure to invest for the long term. Stay disciplined and consistent in your financial habits and don't get swayed by get-rich-quick schemes. It's also important to surround yourself with like-minded individuals who have similar financial goals and aspirations. Surrounding yourself with successful and motivated individuals will help keep you motivated and on track towards achieving your financial goal. Remember, the millionaire mindset is not just about having a high income, but also about having the right attitude and approach towards money. It's about taking control of your financial future and having the drive and determination to achieve your financial goals. So start thinking like a millionaire today and watch as your wealth grows. The power of networking. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Networking is all about building and maintaining relationships with individuals who can help you achieve your financial goals. It's about connecting with successful people, learning from their experiences, and expanding your opportunities. One of the key takeaways from Stanley's book is that networking is an essential component of achieving financial success. Millionaires tend to have a wide network of individuals who can help them achieve their financial goals, such as business partners, investors, and mentors. But networking isn't just about making connections, it's also about building relationships. It's about building trust and credibility with others and helping them achieve their goals as well. When you help others, they are more likely to want to help you in return. To expand your network and achieve financial success, it's important to be proactive. Attend networking events, join professional organizations, and connect with individuals on LinkedIn. And remember, networking is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. It's also important to be authentic and genuine when networking. People can sense insincerity a mile away, and it can be a turnoff. Be yourself and let your personality shine through. Networking can be a powerful tool in achieving financial success. By building and maintaining relationships with the right people, you can expand your opportunities, learn from the experiences of others, and gain valuable insights into the world of business and finance. So, don't be afraid to expand your network and start building relationships that will help you achieve your financial goals. The role of frugality in building wealth. Frugality is all about living below your means, saving money, and investing for the future. It's about being smart with your money and making the most of every dollar. And the best part, it's the foundation upon which all of your financial goals will be built. One of the key takeaways from Stanley's book is that frugality is an essential component of building wealth. Millionaires tend to be frugal, and they understand the importance of saving money and investing for the future. But living frugally doesn't mean living like a miser. It's about being smart with your money and making the most of every dollar. For example, you can use coupons and discounts, negotiate prices, and shop around for the best deals. You can also cut back on unnecessary expenses, such as eating out and buying designer clothes. To live frugally and build wealth, it's important to create a budget and stick to it. Set financial goals and make a plan to achieve them. And most importantly, make sure to invest your savings for the long term. Frugality is not about deprivation. It's about making smart choices with your money. It's about living below your means, saving money, and investing for the future. And the best part, it's the foundation upon which all of your financial goals will be built. So don't wait any longer. Start living frugally and watch as your wealth grows. Living frugally can seem daunting, but it's a powerful tool in achieving financial success. By being smart with your money, you'll be able to save more, invest more, and achieve your financial goals. So don't be afraid to start living frugally and watch as your wealth grows. Overcoming financial barriers. We all face financial barriers that prevent us from achieving our goals, such as debt, lack of savings, and lack of financial knowledge. But the good news is, these barriers can be overcome with the right mindset and strategy. One of the key takeaways from Stanley's book is that successful individuals tend to have a plan to overcome financial barriers and achieve their goals. They create a budget, pay off debt, and build an emergency fund. To overcome financial barriers and achieve your goals, it's important to create a budget, pay off debt, and build an emergency fund. A budget will help you stay on track with your expenses and savings. Paying off debt will help you improve your credit score and lower your interest payments, and an emergency fund will help you manage unexpected expenses. It's also important to educate yourself on personal finance and investing. The more you know, the more control you have over your financial future. Financial barriers can be overcome with the right mindset and strategies. So don't wait any longer. Take control of your financial future, create a plan, and start breaking down those barriers. With the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve financial success. The importance of investing. Investing is all about putting your money to work for you and building wealth over time. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future. One of the key takeaways from Stanley's book is that investing is an essential component of building wealth. Millionaires tend to be savvy investors, and they understand the importance of investing for the long term. Investing can seem overwhelming, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can start building wealth today. To start investing, it's important to educate yourself on the basics of investing, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Understand the potential returns and risks associated with each type of investment, and select the ones that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's also important to have a long-term perspective when investing. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's about building wealth over time. The more time your money has to grow, the more compound interest you'll earn, and the more wealth you'll build. Finally, it's essential to diversify your investments. Diversification means spreading your money across different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce your risk. Investing is a powerful tool in building wealth, and with the right knowledge and strategies, you can start building wealth today. So don't wait any longer, educate yourself on the basics of investing and start putting your money to work for you. Financial literacy is the foundation upon which all of your financial goals will be built, and the Millionaire Mindset is all about having the right attitude and approach towards money and wealth building. Networking, frugality, and investing are also crucial components of building wealth. Overcoming financial barriers can be achieved by creating a budget, paying off debt, and building an emergency fund, and educating yourself on personal finance and investing. These lessons can be applied to your own life by following the key strategies and habits of successful individuals. You can achieve financial success. Remember, the Millionaire Mindset is not just about having a high income, but also about having the right attitude and approach towards money. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and inspiration for you to start building wealth and achieving your financial goals. We encourage you to read the book and apply the lessons to your own life, and to continue your education on personal finance and investing. Don't wait any longer. Start building the wealth you deserve today. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebook. Our comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about living a frugal and rewarding life, including creating a budget, identifying areas for cost cutting, and finding affordable alternatives to everyday expenses. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.